It is just a week before the long-awaited Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day is the day where a couple will receive something as a sign of her or his love from his or her spouse.
But in the happy upcoming day, unlike the usual cheerful upbringing, Fefe is pouting.
Her friends are coming to her house. Seeing Fefe pouting, they couldn't hold the urge to ask her what is happening.
Pepe, what's wrong?
I'm puzzled.
What happened?
Soon is Valentine's Day.
So what's this Valentine's Day?
It just... I'm confused what should I give for my boyfriend.
Is that so? Then how about we together make some sweet?
What is it?
It's melted chocolate brownies and candy grapes.
Now we're going to make melted chocolate brownies first. The ingredients are: for the batter, we need 100 gram dark cooking chocolate, 75 gram butter, 1 egg, 75 gram sugar, 50 gram segitiga biru flour, 15 gram cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and a quarter of teaspoon salt. For the ganache, we need 200 gram whipped cream and 100 dark cooking chocolate.
Then, melt 75 gram of butter. And 100 gram of dark cooking chocolate. And mix it.
Take the chocolate and the butter that have melted. Then put it in a big bowl. Place an egg. Seven, 75 sugar. Until the sugar dissolves. Put 50 gram flour, 15 gram cocoa powder, a quarter of salt, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix until smooth.
We are going to put the butter into the baking dish, but first we are going to put the baking paper into the baking dish. Then put the butter into the baking dish.
Terus sedikit pesan.
The steamer until it let out the vapor.
Ketiga.
Put the baking into the steamer and steam it for 25 minutes.
While we wait the brownies to cook, let's make some ganache. Melt some dark chocolate. Put the melted chocolate into the bowl. Put the whipped cream into the bowl and mix it.
The brownies has done. Now it's time for Fefe to give it to her boyfriend.
My sign of love to you. Present it. How you guys?
is our candy drapes. It is made of grapes that is covered by sugar in form of liquid.
Thank you for watching.
This is the end of the video. Bye bye.